Uh-oh, where'd Caleb go? Back up. Where's Caleb? Caleb. Hi. Get going. Mom's gonna get you. Don't go too fast. Down again. Up again. Here comes the dog. Okay, Mom. There's a dog over there, Mom. I can't go that way. Where's Caleb? Mr. Caleb. There he is. Go, dude. Go, dude. Go. There's the dog getting in the way again. Can't take video without the dog in it. Come here, Caleb. Where'd you go, Mom? I'm getting you. I'm gonna get you. Walk. Now walk to him. Here is a look at what we can look forward to tomorrow. ESPN and NBC. That's a 3:30 Eastern Time game to be seen on ABC. Whoa, wibble wobble legs.